Here's Mama Bobcat. She's so pretty. This is our backyard. And that's our shed in the backyard. And she has 3 babies. And there's the mama. Wow, she's beautiful. My cats are running around. Wow. Yeah, she's looking. She must see me. I think she saw me because I have the window open. She's thinking. Look at her. See if she comes out over here. Look at her baby running to her. Oh my goodness. Look at her. See where she goes. She's gonna jump up, I bet. Or go underneath. Look. Maybe oh, there she comes back. Oh, look at one of her babies. That's her bigger baby. She has 3. She likes to sit in this spot under the tree. Let's see where she's gonna come. Yeah, she plopped down. See, there's 2, but there is a 3rd one. Oh my goodness, yes. They're so cute. Look at them playing. Oh, she's a good little mama, though. Oh, look at little babies. They're so cute. So she had her babies, I think, right behind our shed on the other side of the fence at the storage place behind our house. There's a self-storage. And neighbors and been posting pictures. Look at these little babies. Oh my goodness gracious. This is just adorable. Look at all 3 of them. Oh my gosh. Look at it climbing the tree. Wow. This is just awesome. There's one there. 3 little babies. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Just like a house cat. Kind of wrestling with their kid. Wow. This is incredible to capture on video. little face. I wonder if they're, well, they were eating something earlier. So I think she's probably weaning them now. Awesome.